Hello, my name is Gil Weaver. The second row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. For the second row, we need the same tools. Here's our pattern and let's go. Let's make first stitches. 1, 2, picot, 1 and 2. Then joint picot to the one of the first row rings, then 4 double stitches, and joint picot to the second ring of the first row, and another 2 stitches, picot and 2 stitches, closing the ring, reverse work and make the first chain. Okay, and we have our first chain. I'm gonna make the rest of the row, attach the last chain to the first one. I'm gonna pull the ends to the one side, make a knot and hide the ends, just like we did in the previous video. And I will show you the result. And now the second row is ready. Oh, look at this! Someone has already done the first row of this doily. Thank you, Rose and Sylvia, for sharing your beautiful work with us. If you're tatting along, please feel free to tag me in your posts. I would love to see your results, and maybe your work will be featured in my next video. If you'd like to support me, please scan Buy Me a Coffee QR code or check out my Etsy shop, where you can find even more tatting inspiration. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Have a great time tatting. Bye!